Thyroid-friendly snacks, 5 guilt-free recipes to fuel your energy throughout the day. Hey there! We all know how important it is to keep our energy levels up, especially when dealing with thyroid issues. That's why today we are sharing 5 delicious and guilt-free snack recipes that will keep you energized throughout the day. First up, we have the Berry Bliss Smoothie. This smoothie is not only delicious, but also great for your thyroid health. Blend together a little bit, maybe half a cup of mixed berries, half a banana, coconut yogurt, and a splash of almond milk for a refreshing and nutrient-packed snack. You can substitute almond milk with coconut milk. This is my favorite because for a lot of people who try paleo diet and who have been for a long time on almond baked muffins develop sensitivity to almonds too. So coconut is really good anti-inflammatory, also very low in causing sensitivity issues product that I use every day. Next on list is the avocado. This savory treat is a perfect combination of healthy fats and fiber to keep you satisfied. And now let's talk about the Nutty Energy Bites. Combine nuts, seeds, and a little bit of dried fruits in the food processor. Add coconut oil and mix it up. Rolling the mixture into bite-sized balls. These little gems are not only tasty but also packed with essential nutrients to give you a boost of energy. It also contains some carbs from the dates, but also a lot of fat, healthy fats, and a lot of fiber. Moving on, we have the hummus veggie dippers. Slice up some crunchy veggies like carrots, cucumbers, and bell peppers and pair them with a generous serving of homemade hummus. It's a delightful combination of flavors that will keep you going all day long. And last but not least, let's indulge in the dark chocolate banana bites. These are my favorite. Dip slices of banana into melted dark chocolate and sprinkle some crushed nuts on top. So add these to your routine and you'll notice the difference in your energy levels and overall well-being. Have any questions or need more snack ideas? Share them in the comments below. Stay tuned for more tips and delicious recipes. Until next time, fuel your body with goodness and take care of yourself.